Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one easy and interesting recipe which you guys can do it for the Mother's Day. So let's start. Today I'm going to share the recipe of lemon and chia seed muffins. How to make lemon and chia seed muffin. For this recipe what you need, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of maida. So just a minute. Hey guys, I added 2 cups of maida and I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. So for 2 cup of maida, that is the plain flour, you can use 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of oil. So you can use the olive oil or any oil guys, but today I'm going to use the canola oil. So I'm going to add the oil. I'm not going to add any egg. So I added some oil guys, and it's time to add the baking powder. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Hey guys, I have added 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of bicarbonate soda powder into this. So instead of adding the fresh lemon juice, what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to add this essential oil. So I'm going to add this lemon. Can you see? My camera is focusing now. I'm going to add this lemon essential oil into this. So I'm going to add 3 drops of essential oil, lemon essential oil. It gives the nice flavor in the muffins, and I used to make the lemon rice with these guys, so I will upload one video how to make the lemon rice with the essential oil. So this is done guys, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seed. Okay guys, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seed in this muffin, and I'm going to mix all these things together. Chia seed and lemon, it gives a nice flavor in the muffin guys. So I'm going to mix. Okay guys, I mixed this one very nicely, and what I'm going to do, here is the muffin tray guys, and everything is ready. I'm going to put this one in this. So you don't fill up too much guys, you have to fill up only half, otherwise it will come out. So because we added the baking powder, so it will puff. So I'm going to fill up all the muffins. Okay guys, this is done, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep it in the oven. First you have to preheat the oven, so 180 degree, and you have to bake this one for 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah, this is very easy recipe guys. So you can make this dish and you can give it to your mom and she will be very happy. And this is very easy recipe. As I said, the kids, they can also make this recipe by watching my video. So yeah. Hey guys, just now I removed this one from the oven. So I'm going to check with the fork, or you can check with the knife guys. So I'm going to check with the fork. So it's sticking in the fork guys. So I have to cook for another 5 minutes. Hey guys, my muffins are perfectly cooked, and so yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make lemon and chia seed muffin for the Mother's Day. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you soon. Bye. And happy Mother's Day guys.